Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, hi guys, my name is Zulaihatmo. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family, and leave a comment down below because I read all your comments. So guys, today we are going to be doing an Eid makeup look. Even though this year there's not going to be, like, Eid is going to be different for us this year. I don't know why I'm unnecessarily smiling, but since Eid is going to be different this year, I was like, why not like do makeup, wear a very nice dress, and go to your living room and take some very cute pictures, okay? So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, if you want to see how I achieve the look, please keep watching. So first off, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Desert Dogs palette. I love this palette so much. I already primed my eyelids with the P. Louise eyeshadow primer. Then I'm just going in with the shade Eden. I'm just going to use that on my eyes, on my lids. I'm going to be using that as a transition color. Just apply that to the point where it shows, because the color Eden does not show, like, it does not leave a mark like that. So I just applied it several times, as much as I could, to just make it a transition color. Then next, I'm going in with the shade, oh my god, I can't, Oud. I'm going in with shade Oud. Then I'm just going to be using that to darken my eyelids, just to darken it up, to give it definition, just to define it. I'm just going to be using that on my eyes. So guys, are you guys going to wear makeup this year for Eid, or you're just going to be in your sweatpants and be on your bed, eat your food? So next, I'm going in with Nefertiti, and I'm just going to be using that on my lid, on my eyelids. I'm just trying to create like a cut crease effect, even though, like, not something serious. I don't want it to be so bold. Just something cute for Eid and staying in your home. So I'm just using that for my lid. I'm just going to be brushing that over my lid. And the second eyes, like, I already did that. So yeah, cute girl loading. So I'm just going to be using wipes to wipe away all the excess fallout, and I'm using the same shade, Nefertiti. I'm using that on my brow bone. I'm just using that to define my brows. Guys, I'm trying to stop cutting my brows, like carving my brows, so in case if you just see hairs there, I don't know what to do. If you can recommend what I can do, down below. So I'm using the shade Nefertiti also for the inner corner of my eyes. Then I have my lashes on and my foundation. I use the Fenty Beauty foundation in 380, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation I used in 380. This foundation is really good, like, it works. So next, I'm going with the LA Girl Pro concealer in Toffee and Dark Cocoa. I'm using Toffee to highlight, and I'm using Dark Cocoa to contour my face. So now I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. I'm just using that to blend out everything together. I'm trying to make sure I contour, like, blend out my contour, the dark shade, before I blend in the light shade. I found that like, I watched a few videos and I tried this method out, and it really worked. Like, blending the darker shade first before you blend in the white, so you could use like the lighter shade, so it could correct if you made any mistakes with the darker shade. Just use the white, sorry, like the lighter shade. I don't know why I keep saying white. Lighter shade to correct it. So I'm just blending all my, like, every angle of my face, like under my eyes, my nose, and my chin and my forehead. So next I'm going with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is my all-time favorite powder, setting powder. Like, it works for me. It works very good for me. I heard about the Laura Mercier powder, so I haven't tried that, but this one works for me. Like, it does the job really well for me, so that's why I stuck with it. Then I'm going with the Zaron Face Definer. I'm just using Zaron Face Definer in 05. I'm just going to be using that to bronze my face and contour my face. To contour all my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose bridge, just to make just to define my face and my nose. So now I'm going with the Eid Beauty brush. I'm just using that to blend out all the excess. I'm trying to dab in the product, not just wipe it off. I watched a video of Happy Body Silver saying that you should dab it in, not just wipe everything off. So, and that works. You guys should make sure, if you haven't tried it, like, make sure you try it. Just make sure you try to dab in the product, not just wipe it off, especially your setting powder. It changes your whole makeup look. So now I'm going in with the blush. I'm going in with the sleek brush. I'm just applying that on my face. Blush changes everything, trust me. It changes the game. I recently started using blush, and I can tell you, it changes the game. It changes everything. Next, I'm going with the highlighter in the Zaron Face Definer, and I'm just using that to highlight my face, my forehead, and my nose. Now I'm going in with this setting spray. I don't know the name of setting spray. I've just had it for a while now, and that's what I'm using. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty lip stain in the red shade. That is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you leave a comment down below and like this video. Leave a thumbs up down below, and I hope you guys comment down below how you are going to celebrate in this year's Eid, because this year's Eid is different. We ain't going to the Eid prayer ground. Things are different, so just comment down below what are you going to be doing during this Eid period. Are you going to is it going to still be like a normal Eid in your house, or you're just going to be basically sleeping? Until I see you guys next time. Bye.